Hey there, this is Ivan with WTI, and I have with me my favorite iPhone protective cover by Faiono. This case comes with a matte translucent design, and I got the black color, and I just love how it looks. I also love the feel of it. You can feel that it's really high quality and that it's really going to protect your iPhone. Even the little bump for the camera that really protects the camera itself. Also, it's really easy to install, so I appreciate that. It just pops right in, but at the same time, it's not gonna slip out. So that's one thing that I really like about it as well. All the ports are very accessible as well and very functional. At the same time, it's really easy to uninstall and be able to clean it if there's some debris that has come through. But my favorite thing has to be the magnetic back. It is as strong as it claims to be. I hate when I get a case and it doesn't stick well to the charger or to my stand in my car for my GPS. But this magnet on it, it's super strong. As you can see in the video here with the wallet that I use, it's always stays on, but I show you here also with the charger. Look how it stays on. Even when I shake it, it doesn't fall. So you can tell it's really high quality. So if you are looking for a sleek and very strong magnetic iPhone cover, then this is for you. So don't hesitate to get it. That's just my point of view.